Today we have something iconic, historic and pure Ferrari red. The Ferrari Team Transport set featuring the legendary Ferrari 250 GTO with its classic race transporter. Let's get straight into it. Starting with the packaging. This is part of the Car Culture Team Transport series and straight away the artwork sets the tone. You can see the Ferrari transporter in classic Rosso Corsa carrying the 250 GTO with vintage racing imagery in the background. The card quality is premium, matte finish and definitely collector worthy. If you are a carded collector, then this one is for you. Before we unbox this, let's get to know about the history. It's a bit of a real Ferrari racing history. Back in the 1950s and 1960s, Ferrari used custom-built transport trucks to move their race cars across Europe. These transporters weren't just logistic vehicles, they were rolling symbols of Ferrari's dominance in endurance racing. Cars like the Ferrari 250 GTO were transported to legendary circuits like Le Mans, Monza and Nürburgring on these very styled trucks. The transporter often doubled as a mobile workshop, carrying spare parts, tools and mechanics. Racing was raw and mechanical back then, not the corporate paddocks we see today. Alright, let's carefully crack this open. No damage to the plastic packaging. Absolutely stunning. First up, the Ferrari race transporter. Heavy die-cast body, beautiful leather and cage detailing, Ferrari branding on the side, rubber real rider wheels, authentic vintage proportions. This truck alone feels like a museum piece. The red paint finish is smooth and deep, exactly what you'd expect from a Ferrari themed release. And now the star of the set, the Ferrari 250 GTO. This is one of the most valuable and legendary cars ever built. Hot Wheels has nailed it here. Clean racing livery, number detailing at the back, real rider wheels, perfect stance and proportions. Seeing it sitting on the transporter just feels right, like a proper vintage paddock scene. As a collector, this set ticks all the boxes. Strong historical relevance, premium build quality, iconic Ferrari pairing, display value is 10 on 10. Whether you are a Ferrari fan, motorsport historian or a team transport collector, this is a must-have. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments. Do you display your team transports boxed or loose? This is RB's Diecast Garage and I'll see you in the next unboxing. Until then, keep collecting. Thank you.